What's good? Thanks for taking up the space for watching FADAYZ Designs 26. Alright, let's try that again. What's good? Thanks for taking up space. Wow. Alright, what's good? Thanks for taking up the space to watch FADAYZ Designs 26. I'm just in a really good mood right now, so I'm too hyped to make a video. Still gonna make it anyway. That's what this whole video is about. So, me and my brother, he goes by the name of Mr. Nobody. We're sitting at this place and we're just talking about the life we want and how we're gonna go about it and how long it's gonna take and how many people actually doubt themselves and bury their own selves. I'm just mad hyped. They bury their own selves in their doubts. And by the end of the conversation, we're laughing and joking like I am now. Good looks, everybody, for all the birthday stuff. It was just good looks. I appreciate it. All right, back to the video. So at the end of the conversation, the end conversation was real life is waiting. This video is just gonna be all sorts of messed up, but maybe this is the way it was supposed to come out. Real life is waiting, and it's up to you to make it happen. So this print is, it's all about going for what you believe in. Finding that higher vibration of who you are and pulling away from everything that you're not. And it takes a lot of courage. So with that being said, if you're feeling this print, let me know. If there's something that you change about it or something that will make you purchase it, let me know. Actually, let me go get the shirts right now. Wow. Forgot to bring the shirts over. All right, so this is one shirt, and then you have the side print somewhere. Boom. And then the other, can't just put this anywhere, end up with ink on it. And then you have the other shirt right here. Boom. I like this one. This one's cool. And then you have the side print. These shirts right here for ladies, that's why I made the print a little bit smaller. I'm listening, ladies. I know a lot of you said that the print was way too big and you wanted me to downsize it, so that's what I did. I got a screen specifically for you ladies. I wanted to start with this print for you ladies, so let me know the colors that you want. Let me know what sizes you want. If you want to grab one of these. Peace, and as always,
you are the adventure you seek.
Oh, to all of you warriors that were born on this month, much props. Keep moving forward.